let us understand the mission statement and the vision of Paathshala. And let us understand why Paathshala education is unique and different from any other education service providing entity that might exist in 2020 and beyond. Paathshala education stands for addressing the key problem that exists as the students and learners want to educate themselves in order to achieve an outcome, a learning outcome that they have always dreamt of achieving. The major key problem is the broadcasting of education, thinking that every learner will be able to grasp the ideas, the concepts in an equivalent manner. So, the problem that we are trying to address and the problem that we find needs addressal is mass broadcasting of education. If that were to be effective, then only one teacher, the best, let's say, physics teacher in the world, would be teaching physics to the entire world. What we have seen is the following: different students have different learning requirements, different students have distinct and unique requirements at different points in time as well during the process of learning any subject, topic, or preparing for any competitive entrance exam. Hence, understanding that particular child's psychology, understanding the problems faced by that particular child, understanding the set of circumstances and the environment that particular child comes from is very, very crucial. Now, since we work at the individual student level, you might have not heard about us, but the students and parents who know about us are extremely ardent followers and they really like the service that we have been providing. Even we ourselves are very proud of the service that we provide because we provide the exact service needed for that particular student. And this brings me to the mission statement of Paathshala. The mission statement is to make and help each and every student reach the pinnacle of their potential. Each and every student should be able to compete with themselves and excel in their own eyes and in the best possible manner that they particularly could have excelled. So, the competition of a student is not external but it is rather internal. We aim to transform every student into the intellectually best version of themselves with the added aim of helping them secure the best possible academic results that they could have in a science career of their choice. This is what Paathshala education stands for. You need to understand the core key values of Paathshala. It is to work very closely with the students, and hence we do not run any batches of huge number of students because we know that that mode of teaching and learning is ineffective at best and extremely distressing and depressing at worst. The student cannot ask his or her individual doubts. We cannot micromanage and micromonitor what's happening in the student's life if we are teaching in a huge batch, and hence we do not teach in huge batches. We teach very small number of students. Most often it is only one or two students that we teach. That way the professor and the students are constantly communicating in a two-way manner with each other. So it is not just broadcasting of the education, but it is actually a dialogue. And hence, because of the discussion format of learning that we believe in, because of the interactive format of learning that we believe in, we have been able to make students perform to their best possible potential, and that is what Paathshala education stands for. You need to be on par and very, very well versed with this mission statement of Paathshala.